Hello everyone! So finally time for repairing Volvo has come. It's been a while with this car, but I have the last few months was very rough for me, but finally I solved my problems and now I can start working again with the Volvo. For those who doesn't know, this is 2020 Volvo XC40. Last time I was fixing the suspension, so now I have new parts. So here are the parts. As you can see, here is the new axle shaft, and today I will be assembling it. So let's start with this repair. I will start with this part first. Put the axle shaft. Okay, the axle shaft is in. This is very simple. And here are two bolts. You see, one is located there and one is there. This part is called the axle shaft support and need to be screwed to the body of the car or the frame of the car. I don't know how to call it in English. This screw there is very long, so you have to use also long wrench to do it, to put this nut. The axle shaft is connected to the gearbox. Now I think I need to put this to this aluminum part. So I decided to unscrew the brake rotor because this is too heavy and I cannot put this part here. I don't have so much strength, so I will unscrew it. I will mount this thing and then I will put everything together. Hope this is the right way. See, everything is almost assembled. So I am very happy that everything fits. I do not have to put everything tight because the BodyShop guy needs to unscrew the whole suspension again and do some body work here and there. Now I will put the rotor. There is one problem with this, my montage. I know this is not the proper way to do it, but for me it will be enough because I cannot put now. Now I can put only two bolts from this side. Pizda. This was not a good plan. So I have to redo it everything. So I had to unscrew the rotor, and now I have better access to put the axle shaft. So the axle shaft is in. Here is the bolt for the axle shaft. I will not screw it tight because, like I said before, I will transport this car to BodyShop and they will disassemble the whole suspension, and because here is bent place and they have to fix, you know. Also here is some damage, a small damage, but the biggest damage is here. This bolt is for securing the rotor, and now I can put this brake caliper back. So here is everything assembled. Now I will turn the wheel straight. I can put the wheel and the car is ready for BodyShop. Woo! I am so happy. The suspension is on its place. Everything should be straight because the parts are new. So now it is time for BodyShop, and the next step will be painting and putting back together. But I cannot do it. The BodyShop will do it. So I don't have skills to do BodyShop, you know, work. Maybe someday, but I feel better when I paint this. So, see you to the next time. Please subscribe, leave the thumbs up and comment what you think about my work. It will help to grow my channel.